Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be doing a basic clean with me, and I first like to start off with turning on my warm scents. So my wax warmer along with my candles. So I like to actually start off towards the back of the house, which would be our main bedroom, and I obviously want to start off with folding the beds, any blankets, picking up any clothes or anything on the floor, and then I'll move into our main bathroom, and there I would, tidy up everything. I feel like our bathroom is the most dirtiest than our guest bathroom, but whatever. And so then I move into vacuuming. I did grow up using the broom and a vacuum for tile floor, so don't judge me. I just prefer the vacuum and that's the only one I have. So for the living room, I just pick up anything that needs to be picked up, put all the dishes into the sink because I'll wash them later, and then wipe down everything and vacuum deeply into the couches, because we tend to eat in the living room since we don't have a table yet, so we get crumbs on there and everything, and you just want to be clean. So with this counter, we barely use it, but when we do, we just piled stuff on it. Does anyone else like to do laundry? Just me? Okay. But ask me if I want to put the clothes away. No. I think I just like cleaning in general. I know my mom would love to have heard those words growing up with me, but no. I didn't love to clean, but thank you, Mom, for pushing me so much, because now I love to clean, and I think I'm a bit of an OCD, or so my husband says. So moving on to the kitchen, I first like to start off with washing any dishes. Then I'll be wiping down the counters, the stovetop, the microwave, the fridge, and the cabinet doors, which I tend to not clean as often as we should. Lastly, I'll just vacuum the floors. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below and let me know if you would like to see more videos, or give me any other type of videos you guys would want to see. Share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!